Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to upload guys eye care mode, how to enable in infinix phone device guys. So friends, how can we enable guys eye care mode in our infinix phone device, and friends, how can we use it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys in this video. We will talk about. So first of all guys, turn on your phone setting to enable guys your eye care mode. So guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on guys, you can see this tab setting. So once you want to enable eye care, so I will click on the search bar option guys, and we will search here guys eye care. Friends, you can see eye care guys, we will tap here, and friends, you can see guys your eye care mode direct guys, we can enable from here. After enable guys, after 2 seconds skin color will change, and friends, you can see eye care mode guys, you can see skin color. Friends, you can adjust this color, means you can adjust this skin color brightness. And friends, you can see eye care tints guys, your screen amber. This makes it easier to look at our screen or read it. So friends, you can see guys your start time. So what is it? So friends, you can schedule guys your eye care mode setting guys. Friends, you can schedule from here start time guys, and friends, you can see guys this end time guys, you can set from here guys, you can use it guys, you can schedule your eye care setting also guys if you want. So like that guys, we can enable guys our eye care mode setting, and guys we can use it. Bye guys.